Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Sportage or Kia Sorento, any generation, and you need to test purge control valve, also known as purge control solenoid. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that guys. Also we'll talk about the symptoms of bad purge control valve, how you can find more about it as well. So all that will be covered in this video today. You don't need to remove the engine out, we simply have it out due to the fact that we'll be making hundreds of videos that can potentially save you thousands of dollars, and with the engine being out we'll be able to clearly show you where everything is located and how to fix your car. So let's start on it now. So as we said, that should work on most generation Kia Sportage, Kia Sorento guys. Before we start, let me tell you, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission as a shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please guys subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, if you guys need to buy any parts or tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. So with that being said, let's explain how we're going to do that now. So this is it here guys, this is the engine, this is the purge control valve. Now if you want to see how to remove and replace purge control valve, we have the video, everything from start to finish, that will teach you how to replace purge control valve on Kia Sportage or Kia Sorento. Many of you guys have been asking us about to share information about the diagnostic tools that we use, and that's one of the ones that we use the most. It works on almost any car you can think of. Key is right here, but if you want to find out more about it and where you can get it from, I'll put the link in the description of the video below. It's an amazing tool that can pay itself off practically in one-time use guys. So with that being said, how do you test purge control valve? The purge control valve has two wires on the back side. It has two wires, it has two hoses. One is inlet hose coming from the fuel tank or the canister. You can even see on the side it will say canister. And the other one is known as the intake hose, right here. This goes towards the intake manifold. The wires guys, now the interesting thing about these wires is you can reverse them. You can actually put the negative on the left side or the positive, it doesn't matter. It will work either way because it's magnetic coil. But if you touch these two wires together while you're supplying 12 volt electricity, you're going to burn the solenoid and you will need a new one. If you use alligator clips, you can reduce the risk of happening, but there is still some chance, so be very careful. Now, the first test, we're going to conduct two tests. The first test, we will apply 12 volt supply and listen, that valve should click open and close. So that opens and closes. If you reverse them, they will still work. Check it out now. They will still perform correctly. Perfect. Now the second test guys, we're going, this one tells us that it opens and closes, but there could be a mechanical problem to where the valve actually doesn't open and close. The magnetic coil could be clicking, but the valve may be leaking or may not be closing. Or may not be opening correctly. We'll get a balloon, and advertise our main channel, how to repair guys, check it out guys. Now we're going to apply the balloon, we have the extra holes here, but you can just apply it to the valve itself. Now with the balloon applied and no electricity guys, you should have no air coming out, check it out. No air. When we apply 12 volt electricity and it opens, the balloon should deflate and air should come out of the PCV valve, out of the purge control valve. Check it out now. You can see the balloon deflates. Now we stop, it doesn't deflate. So that's a good working valve. When you apply 12 volt, you should have a steady stream of air coming out. When you stop the 12 volt supply, it should close correctly guys immediately. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you have any questions, let us know. And if you want to find out about the symptoms of bad purge control valve, we have a special video that explains that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.